This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Captiva Sport, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Every Chevrolet certified pre-owned vehicle has the value and confidence you need. Owner Care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring our exclusive 2-year, 24,000-mile CPO scheduled maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with 0 deductible, and, if that weren't already enough coverage, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with 0 deductible. See, we didn't call it Owner Care for nothing. The features include a sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.